The price to pay for the modernization process of today's society is traffic, pollution, noise. These are the new problems we have to face. Times change and also the people mobility needs. The massive presence of vehicles on the main roads is unavoidable. That's because when certain streets stop, the city collapses. Public transport modes must be urgently promoted in order to replace private vehicles. A bus transports 50 passengers and is only 10 meters long compared to the 300 meters that 50 cars would take up. 50 vehicles that have to be parked. 50 exhaust pipes polluting the air compared to one powered by natural gas, electricity or biodiesel. We want to go even further, and that is why here at Sice, the technological subsidiary of ACS, the Multinational Services and Construction Group, we have set out to achieve increasingly innovative and efficient solutions in the field of electronic monitoring and prioritizing public transportation. It is similar to the electronic monitoring system for the public transportation lanes developed by Sice using automatic license plate recognition. Once the vehicle has been detected, it recognizes the license plate because of the cameras installed at the control points on the street. The license plate is searched into the system database in order to determine if the detected vehicle is authorized to access to the controlled area, or to know if the vehicle is searched by the police. The related information of the detection is the following: context image, license plate, date, time, lane ID, etc. Every element in the system is in permanent communication with the central server in order to notify any incident. The equipment installed into the control point is based in 3 modules. The first one is the license plate reader, which is based on 1 infrared camera and 1 recognition engine. The second one is the context camera, in order to have an overview of the vehicle in the street just in the moment it is detected. And the last one is the communications management module. The license plate recognition engine is located inside the box of the infrared camera, in order to protect the equipment from any possible accidental damage. This has numerous advantages. The system is autonomous and does not need any external procedure to work. It captures images at a very high speed, up to 200 images per second, being able to identify vehicles traveling at speeds above 200 kilometers per hour. It works 24 hours a day. It incorporates multi-flash infrared technology which is invisible to the human eye. It makes it possible to control some boundary control area. Also, all the movements inside a controlled area can be known in real time with this system. The software of the central control system is based on web architecture. This gives it enormous advantages in terms of flexibility, support and maintenance. From the machine interface of the central system, the user can examine in real time the complete system status by means of a geographical map where all the elements are indicated. The software installed into the central server integrates the different electronic monitoring systems developed by Sice with license plate recognition technology, public service lanes, access control to residential areas and red light cameras. The system controls and registers all the users entering in the system. The system generates different statistical reports. All the users are required to introduce their username and password to get access. The dialogue with the user is made through a secure protocol, which was a very important concern in the moment of the system design. In fact, the system is highly protected via secure passwords, data encryption and automatic procedures. Digital signature recognition is also available. The system informs to the system manager through SMS or via email when an error occurs in the system. Many installations related to this system have been developed by Sice. They are installed in Barcelona, Logroño, Seville, Madrid. In 2010, in the city of Seville, a great system has been installed. That is, monitoring points deployed on 16 kilometers of public service lanes to improve the public transportation network of the city. Commercial speed and number of passengers have been increased thanks to this system. Access control points to control the access to residential areas in order to protect some part of the city that have a priceless artistic and historic heritage. Red light control points at intersections as a solution to improve the road safety. The equipments have been installed in intersections with the higher accident rates. Outside of the city, the bridge named Puente de Hierro, Iron Bridge, has been set up as an alternative bus lane during hours of high traffic volume so that the buses can reach their destination faster. The results of all these systems have been extraordinary. The number plate recognition has over 95% reliability. The systems implemented have contributed to a more rational use of the road network, improving the movement of public transportation vehicles. The Sice challenge as a technological company for complete mobility solutions goes much further. Sice has recently installed, also in Seville, a new public transportation priority system based on traffic light control. Buses generate automatically a demand in the proximity of an intersection which modifies the traffic light's timing, so that the probability of crossing on a green light is higher. The traffic demand is managed locally by the traffic controller. Travel time of the public transportation is reduced and the improved service is seen as more attractive for the citizens. These are technical tools that help to reach a new transport system that contribute to the environmental, social and economic sustainability of the communities they serve. Tools that respect the voice of our collective ecological conscience without renouncing the progress in our cities. Improving green transportation modes and promoting the urban space to be shared among the different users of the public roads. Tools that guarantee our quality of life without renouncing our future.